Hey folks, Astro Diver number one, a fall 2023 garden update issue. I get so many requests for more garden videos. They're just so popular on my channel. That and some video of a few big trees being taken down here and a little bit of tractor work. So nothing informative in this video, but enjoy. Well, today this beautiful laurel oak is getting cut down by professionals, not me. A little too close to the house for me. This tree split into 4 large branches, basically. It's gotten very large. And this large pine tree here to the right, I don't like the lean on that. So that's going to. And this tree's close to 4 foot across at the base. It's a big tree. Good. Good job. Winding up for the big boy. So this is why you call the professionals. 3.5 hours, and both trees are gone, cleaned up, and just a big hole left over. So I said about 4 foot across, and that's just about right. And you can see that the center of this is just all rotten muck. So very good call taking that tree out. It could have caused a lot of damage. And this pine, which is about 30 inches across, a little over, was poised to take out our gym at the end there. We didn't want that, so I'm glad that's gone also. We used a company called A&S Tree Service. They're out of Chiefland, Florida. It was $2,500, but they did a fantastic job. This is the fourth time that we've hired them over the years, so if you're in that part of Florida, give them a call. I cut most trees down on my own, but you know, I've got thousands of them here. I have to, but when they're getting close to hurting something and they're that big, you want to call a professional. They do it every day.